How long should the sides of your hair be? That is the topic of today's video, and I know it can be very, very frustrating and challenging to find out what is the best length. Well, it all depends on the hairstyle that you want. This really comes down to understanding what your hair will do and will not do. This obviously is a much shorter length on the sides, which is ideal if you really want low maintenance. You don't want to worry about having to brush your hair. The haircut does all the work. This, however, is kind of a trouble length because it can stick out if it's not cut short enough. If it's left too long, then it's going to stick out, which may be an issue for some of you. I know a lot of people do not like to see their hair sticking out on the sides, and especially when you're styling it, it's a bit of a challenge. Now, let's take this hair length, for example. This is an ideal hair length if you want to have more of a slick back. All I did was spray it down with water. Water is the best thing or product in order to manipulate the hair. And you could see with the teeth of the comb, a fine teeth is going to give you a much tighter feel, and the wide teeth is going to create a bit more separation. You could see how long this hair actually is. A lot of times, your hair simply is not long enough for it to do what it needs to do if you want a longer hairstyle. This is really, really, really important. Look how far that hair goes forward. Well, that's how far it travels back. Something that is a great test to do when you're looking at your hair in the mirror. Just comb it forward and then pull it back. That is how far it's going to go back. Now, this particular hair length, you can see how the hair sticks up. All of these mannequins are 100% human hair. They also are on a thicker texture, and there's a good amount of hair. You could see, however, if you have the right hair texture that grows in a normal growth pattern and you have just enough length, the hair will still go back. Again, this is just with water. Using the comb, I'm able to manipulate the hair. It's not sticking out at all. It's actually a good length because it's just at that point where it's still long enough for it to be combed back. So again, if you're going for a hairstyle to where maybe it's 1.5 inches the most throughout the sides, you could probably still do that. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm actually going to cut the hair scissor over comb to cut it to a length that actually is going to be that troubled length that sticks out all the time. So if you suffer from this, then this is the number one reason why your hair is sticking out. It's simply because it's cut too short and it's not at that length where it's going to be short enough, like the one I showed you before, the mannequin that's really short, or it's not long enough. This is what you need to have if you want your hair to lay flat. Yes, this is it. So if you don't want to have that previous problem of your hair sticking out like the last one, then go short. You have to be comfortable with this so you don't have to worry about the hair poking out. If it's left too long, then it will. And this is really, really important because this is going to solve a lot of your problems. Why does this look like Lou Ferrigno from the Hulk? Anyway, here is a completely different hairstyle to where the length on the sides is really, really, really important. And this is what makes the haircut. This is probably, I would say, 4 inches long, 4.5 inches long throughout the sides. And in order to have hair that has a flow to it, you actually need that length. And you can see the longer the hair is on the sides, the more it's going to lay down flat. I'm pulling it straight out from the head, and I'm able to actually still make it lay flat. And you can see as I'm pulling it, it's not a finger's length. It's like a good finger's length and then some. So make sure that you have the proper length in order to style your hair that's going to match up with what you're looking for. Now, this is going to be a fun part of this. This is the ideal length, in my opinion, to where it's just long enough and not too short. I am going to feature my new product, which is finally out, Control Cream. This is something that I've been wanting for quite some time. It's finally available. It's got some really good ingredients in it that are going to help the hair have a nice texture, a very soft, pliable, light hold. This is all about controlling your hair. So if you want something that is going to make your hair look healthy, especially if your hair is dry, this is actually going to make your hair look a lot more healthy and give it some life, especially if you have hair length like this. And if you have wavy hair or curly hair, this is going to bring your hair back to life and make it look healthy by controlling frizz and flyaways. This is also very combable, as you can see. As it fully dries into the hair, it just has this perfect type of control. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of product on your hair. It just is the right amount. And I'm so happy that this is finally available. This is a salon quality premium type of product, and it's all about the performance. Here is me running my fingers through the hair, and you can see it just gives it that natural type of look. And I want to know in the comments below, did you enjoy this type of cinematic video? Because I am changing how I'm presenting things. Check out the product. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.